Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fantastic word. Today's word is double. What does it mean? How can we use it? Let's find out. Double, as an adjective, means twice the amount, size, strength, or number. Think of it as multiplying something by 2. It indicates a quantity or degree that is 2 times greater than the original. For instance, if you have 1 apple and someone gives you double that amount, you'll have 2 apples. It's a very common and useful word in everyday language. We often use it when talking about quantities, measurements, and even abstract concepts. So, remember, double equals twice. Now, let's look at some synonyms for double. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. This helps us expand our vocabulary and understand the word in different contexts. One synonym for double is twice. For example, instead of saying I need double the amount of sugar, you could say I need twice the amount of sugar. Another synonym is duple. This is a less common word, but still useful to know. You might hear it in music to describe a duple meter, meaning 2 beats per measure. Here's an example sentence. The recipe calls for twice the amount of flour if you want to make a larger cake. Another example using duple. The rhythm of the song has a simple duple feel. Now, let's explore some antonyms of double. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. Understanding antonyms helps us see the contrast and clarify the meaning of our word. One antonym of double is single. Single means one or just one of something. For example, I ordered a single scoop of ice cream, not a double scoop. Another antonym is half. Half represents one of 2 equal parts, which is the opposite of double. For example, I only ate half of the pizza, so I have enough for lunch tomorrow. Another antonym could be reduced. Reduced means made smaller or less. The price was reduced by half. Another antonym is decrease, which means to make less. We have to decrease the amount of water in the pot. Now, let's look at how we can use double in everyday life. You might hear someone say, I need a double espresso to wake me up this morning, meaning they want an espresso with twice the amount of coffee. Or, if you're playing a game, someone might say, I'll double my bet, meaning they're betting twice as much as before. Another common expression is to see double, which means to have blurred vision or to see 2 of everything. Think about road signs too, like double yellow lines indicating no parking. Consider sales and promotions. Retailers might advertise a double discount event, signifying that the discount percentage is higher than usual. You can also use double in the context of time. For example, the recipe takes double the amount of time because I doubled the ingredients. Here are some more usage examples of double in sentences and phrases. I have double the responsibilities at work since my colleague left. The price of gas has doubled in the last year. She scored a double in the baseball game. We need to double-check all the calculations before submitting the report. He had a double chin. The road has a double bend, so be careful. I'm seeing double after staying up all night. The store is offering double points on all purchases this week. Can I get a double cheeseburger, please? The lawyer had to consider the double meaning of the contract. He lives a double life. There will be a double feature at the cinema tomorrow. This movie has a lot of double meanings. The artist used a double layer of paint. The company is aiming for double-digit growth this year. Now, let's recap what we've learned today. We discovered that double means twice the amount. We explored synonyms like twice and duple and antonyms like single, half, reduced, and decrease. We also saw how double is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. So, next time you want to say that something is twice as much, remember the word double. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn English with us. Now, I have a challenge for you. Can you create your own sentence using the word double? Share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with.